we gotta go grab the FD because it's done. Got some new tires on it for its new owner. Tomorrow he's supposed to come, so that one was tough to sell, but it is what it is. You guys are probably bored of this. We're back. The car runs perfect, right? It's good to go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You paid me to do that for you. Which I told you that you can do it yourself. Remember I told you that?
Yeah, I'm lazy though. All right, Cyrus made sure the car's good to go. It's got to make it to Arizona, so I wanted to make sure everything was okay. There it is. Thing's cherry. I haven't even detailed it yet. That's the last thing on the list. Detail it. Hopefully work on the blue car now. Blue car is gonna be sick. Get this thing on the trailer.
I said, okay.
Frickin' A. Do a little burnout before I sell it. I never got to drive this thing. It's pretty fast, dude. Put down some rubber.
What are you guys doing? It's dark now.
Just tidying it up before it goes to its new owner.
FD's gone for the second time. So Josh sold it January 2020 and January 2021.
That's so funny. How nice it is in there.
It's clean. That's the camera for the FD.
Yep.
Josh, they're here.
What's up, guys? What's up, man? Long drive?
It wasn't too bad.
Alright, I detailed it and
All good.
should be open on that side. Yeah, just let it sit for a little bit and then you guys can go take it for a test drive. Gotta start working on this thing. It's been abandoned for months, ever since I crashed. Insert the clip right here. I kind of just like stopped drifting for a while because I got bummed out, but only because the car looks like this and I can't put a headlight on. I figure I'm going drifting, I'm just gonna rip everything off. I think I'm gonna strip the car. Basically a shell. No kit. No fenders.
You're gonna take off the doors too, right?
Gotta take off the doors, take off the roof, take out the motor.
Take out the car. He's gonna drift with no car, so if he crashes, he's all good.
If I drift without a car, then I don't have to worry about crashing. Welcome to my empty crib. This is a little update on the land house, the dome house. Almost done. Floors are in, house is painted, closed off the windows, so that'll be a little entertainment center. This is my favorite part right here. So we're gonna have a stools here, so you can chef it up. Serve your homies. The kitchen came out really good actually. It's big. It's huge, actually. And you can see all the cars and everything when you're in the kitchen. And when you're cooking, you also have the view. What's this? Go upstairs. Show them your room, Jordan. This is where all the YouTube stuff's gonna go down. This is gonna be the studio, little whatever. This is Hoda the Yoda's room.
Hoda the Yoda opening.
He reserved this room. These rooms are kind of funny. They don't have closed off ceilings. Yeah, through the cups with the strings. Bathroom's all done.
You could take showers together.
Yeah, I was thinking you could put a couch here, you can watch him shower.
That's actually a good idea because there's all this wasted space.
Yeah, and then when he gets out, you can shower, he'll watch you shower.
Yeah.
There you go. You have the best view, Jordan. Jordan has the best view of all the cars in the garage.
My car be right there.
Yeah, why don't you park it on top of the garage?
It's actually
a great idea. We'll make little ramps. You got your freaking dancing mirrors, bro. And the weird closet. And that's pretty much it. Oh, I still have where I'm gonna live. Me, Leah, and the kids are gonna be downstairs. And this is my Harry Potter closet. Actually, one of the kids to stay in there, that'd be funny. But this is the master bedroom. It's not the biggest, but I figure I'll put my couch over there. I'll have a TV here. Put the bed where you are, Jordan. And then I'm gonna make this the girls' room and take these doors out for more room. Do like 2 twin beds or a bunk bed for the girls, and this will be their little playroom. The best part. Well, Leah has her closet, now we got the shared closet. The best part, bathroom. Got the soaking tub. Just gotta install this thing. It's gonna it's a filler tub, so it's gonna be like pipes. Check this out, that was my favorite part. So you have this shower running, and we got the rainforest.
Oh, snap.
Falling at the same time. Let's see a window right there. Yeah, you don't want them watching you wash your hands. You want them to watch you take a bath.
I take a bath.
It makes so much sense. But hopefully it'll be here in the next month. So all the content will be here. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. I love it. I can't wait. Japan sounds better, but this will do for now. Just finished up painting the whole house. Exterior. That's pretty good, man. I didn't paint it. My parents painted it by themselves. 60-year-old mom up there on the ladder. I probably should have helped. Been so busy, dude. Garage is painted. And that's it.